the social media scheduling app is getting closer and closer to the end. But of course we have a lot of work to do ahead. I did the first part, the ideation, creating the wireframe, creating a view of what I want. I just want to post, to plan the whole content for the future, and that it's done with this view. You'll have just one single view, and this is the final calendar I've reached until now. So you'll have here the years that are in the database, plus another 3 years which you can plan your content on. Also, I added a little bit of helper here with this link. Search on the web for content writing formulas, because there are some templates that are used by the viral posts that you see on the internet. They are just some templates which you can fill and add your own twist. For example, if you look here on this website of Charles Miller, this is one of the templates. So before, after, you mentioned before, I worked with X. Now I'm working with X and it's better, so, or something like that. After, before, story value, concludes, stuff like that. So there are various templates which you can use, and it's nice to know about them. I don't know about them, but I will look into it. So this is the view. You'll have all the mounts in horizontal, so you can scroll horizontally and see all the mounts. The mounts that have passed will be in this gray thing. You can look at the posts that were there, but if there are no posts, you'll see here 0 posts. I have here a back button, which will get you to the year that you were previously here. And I was thinking that I could add the next button, so you can fill, for example, let's go on the current day on 15. Yeah, 15. And here you'll see the total posts for that day and the posts that are for each platform. Yeah, you can click on it and it will show you this form, and underneath this form you'll have the posts. I was thinking that I could add the next button, so it will get you to the next day, so that would be nice. So you won't need to do this back and then go here, select the next day, and so on, and that would be nice. The months that are in the future will be in this bluish color. And I was thinking that, for example, you need, if you are a company or something like that, if you have a company, you can go and outsource the content writing to some freelancer or something like that by going to settings. Yeah, you'll go to settings, you'll go and download the Excel template for the scheduled jobs. Click on it and you'll have this Excel file. This Excel file will contain some columns. Let's see, on the downloads I've created something, so you'll have this file, an Excel file. The freelancer would need to create a folder with that Excel file, and we'll create a folder with files. And if we open here, you'll see these dates. So he will create content like that. He can put it in an Excel file. The date, the time on which that content would be posted on. Title, if it's a video, if it's a video on YouTube. For the rest, you need just the description and the file name, which will be found in the files. After that, he will just need to do this. Bam, right click and create a zip for it. And this will be his deliverables. And after that, you would take this zip. Currently it's not yet ready. I will work on it and upload it. And then click on this import zip. This is not yet finished. I will need to, it doesn't look that great, so maybe I will find some ways to make it look a bit nicer. Import zip, and then you'll have the whole calendar that will be added in the calendar. Pretty basic and not a lot going on, because I don't want that. I want it to be simple. This app has just one purpose. It can help you right ahead the content for the next years. And yeah, you can also export what you have already posted, and it will download an Excel file with all the content that you have posted with links. Yeah, after the post is online, it will get that link, and you can look at the posts and see how they performed. You can delete all data meaning the data that is before today. Yeah, and you can delete all data and have a fresh start. Yeah, let's see how it goes, and next I will need to see how the API of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other apps work, how we can make up that post via an API. And yeah, basic yet pretty nice. So here we have the day, total posts. I don't know, it looks good. This one needs a little bit of work, but we'll see. Bye.